How to buy Bitcoin from Cash App. Buying Bitcoin is very simple with this application. In this short and simple video we will show you the steps you must take to buy Bitcoin from the Cash App. If when you see all this video you feel that we have helped you, please support this video with a like, thank you. You can use Cash App to buy Bitcoin easily, directly from your cell phone, and with low rates. Attention, keep in mind that Bitcoin constantly changes in value. Sometimes it rises, sometimes it falls. The purchase of this cryptocurrency is considered a risky investment because you can lose your money if the Bitcoin loses its value against the dollar. These are the steps you must take to buy Bitcoin from the Cash App. First, download and install the Cash App application from the application store of your cell phone. It is available for Android and iPhone. Then you must create your account in Cash App. If you do not know how to create your account, a video appears in the corner top right of your screen that will help you create your Cash App account. Then return to this video to learn how to buy Bitcoin. Once you have your account available, you must deposit money in the Cash App. Doing this is also very simple, and at this time there is also another video where we teach you how to deposit money in your Cash App account. Keep in mind that in order to buy Bitcoin you need to have an available balance in the Cash App. Now you must verify your identity to be able to buy Bitcoin. Now we will show you how to do it. After creating your account and depositing money, go to the application's home screen. All that you see on the screen at this time is the main section of the Cash App. Every time you open the application you should see this. At the bottom, from left to right, there are different options, each corresponding to a section of the Cash App. For example, home screen, cash card, request and payment, investments, and history. To buy Bitcoin, you will first need to verify your identity. To do so, tap on the Start option at the bottom left. This is the home section. You should see all this on your screen. Now click on Bitcoin, an option that is located just below Deposits and Transfers. In this section you must enter your full name to confirm your identity, and then press the Next button. Here it says that you must now enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. Then you must press the Next button, and the verification will be processed. This process can last from a couple of minutes to a couple of days. You will receive a notification when the verification is complete. Cash App must follow the compliance rules of all established laws. That is why it is necessary to carry out this step. Now you must choose the type of investment you are going to make. Again, we are on the main screen of the Cash App. Now we must go to the Investments tab. It is the one that is here. Click on this option and you will access this section. Here you can even buy shares. For that reason this tab was named as the Investment tab. But today I will teach you how to buy Bitcoin. So you must click on this button. Buy Bitcoin instantly is what it says in this presentation. As you can see its price, it is in constant movement. The price of Bitcoin has risen enough so that several users will not be able to buy a whole Bitcoin. But if you can buy small fractions of this cryptocurrency, that is, a part of the Bitcoin. So, we click on this button, Buy Bitcoin. All these dollar options that you see are suggestions of Cash App. 1, 10, 20, 50, and 100, but if it does not coincide with the amount of money you want to invest, you just have to click on these 3 points that are here. Here you have to write the amount in dollars that you want to invest to buy your Bitcoin fractions. In my case, I will go back and select the option of $20. Once selected, we click Next. Pay close attention to the following statement. Here are all the details of the purchase. You should read all this carefully before confirming the transaction. What you see here are the fractions of Bitcoin that we can buy for $20. This would be 1099 satoshis. It is the unit of measurement of Bitcoin. Here you can see the current exchange rate of Bitcoin against a dollar. Here it shows us the symbol for Bitcoin, BTC. This is to make sure that we will actually buy Bitcoin. Here is the amount of money that will be invested in Bitcoin. It is $19.55. This happens because the commission we have to pay for this transaction is $0.45. The total cost of the investment is $20, as we had selected, but from there the rate is discounted, and the remaining amount is the total invested. If everything is correct, if we agree with this, we click Confirm. Alright, we actually just bought 1099 satoshis, a small fraction of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. We have invested $20 in this purchase. Did you like the video? If so, please support this video with a like. You can also subscribe to this channel called Send Money Now, where we show you the best applications to send money anywhere in the world.